About a month ago, I got back from a 4-month RV trip. And during that summer adventure, I did not do one single thing for my skin. So now I am trying to do everything I can for my skin to reverse some of the aging process. I've always been someone who really just never felt like I needed to do anything with my skin. I'm not gonna inject anything. I have really sensitive skin, so I have to be careful what I put on it. Even sunscreen is hard for me to find a product that doesn't break me out. So I just focused on eating really healthy and clean, daily exercise and play, and good quality sleep. And it's been working for me. This next year, I will turn 60 in August. So I decided to do whatever I can do, minimally invasive, very inexpensively, in the next 9 to 10 months to see how much can I reverse this aging process before I turn 60. I am a scientist and a geek at heart, so you know I'm taking before pictures every month, and I'm really just learning so much about these ancient techniques that have been practiced for years and trying them all out. I'm having some really good results. That being said, I have found a recipe and tweaked it for my own DIY vitamin C serum. I'd like to try to get rid of some of the age spots that I have acquired on my face and décolletage. Without further ado, let me show you how I make my serum and how I use it.
Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need to make 120 milliliters of a 10% L-ascorbic acid serum with a pH balance of 3.5. Take a glass jar and place it on top. Press the power short hold once to zero it out and add your distilled water until it measures 120 milliliters or close to that amount. Next, remove your water, clear your scale, and set the measurement now in the form of grams. Measure out a small amount of your L-ascorbic acid and have a tool on your scale to pour your L-ascorbic acid into. Add your L-ascorbic acid to your distilled water. Stir your solution to make sure that it is fully dissolved. And now it's time to measure our solution's pH balance. I use these test strips that I got off Amazon. I will link them in the description box along with all the other materials being used. You'll dip one of the test strips just slightly into your distilled water and L-ascorbic acid solution and allow it to dry just for about a minute. You'll compare that color of the strip to your chart on your strip package, and you're looking for a 3.5 pH balance, somewhere in between the color of that 3 and the 4 on the package. And now it's time to add your vitamin C serum to your permanent bottle. I like to use this amber colored spray bottle I got off Amazon. If you have a funnel, that also comes in very handy at this point. I omitted to mention earlier that when you are testing your pH balance, if your pH is too high, you'll want to use a little bit of baking soda and remeasure that balance until you achieve that 3.5 level. Finally, if you don't have an amber colored bottle, you can simply use some foil and wrap it around the bottle. This solution will last a good 7 to 10 days. I use my vitamin C serum every day. I put it on my face in the morning before my sunscreen, and in the evenings I put it on before my retinol A. My favorite way to use it, though, is after dry brushing and all over my body. I like to follow up with my DIY massage oil. It's light, it has an amazing scent, and it makes my skin look and feel amazing.